Well, the day after the storm, Toronto shut down. The road's clean, and yeah, people are slowly, the ones who could get out of their house, heading to work. Quite a bit of snow. See how my back will hold up today. Do it in bits and pieces. Don't have to get it all done right away. I have all day. Wow. First major, significant snowfall of the year. I guess January came in like a lamb and is going out like a tiger. Look what this one does. You want to wear a hat? My. I am finally out to deal with this. Help! You know what? I am so grateful to my nana. He used to dig trench back home. So I know how to swing a shovel a little bit. Oh my. Oh God. Back, pull up for me today. Give me a break. Yep, the plow came and built a little wall to keep me in. I don't want to go to America. I want to go to Guyana. Look at that. They think a stupidity wall gonna keep colored people away? Give us a shovel, one hammer, one chisel, and we broke your act down. Remember when they came and they bust us up and take away our land? We had a shovel and pitchfork, and they had guns and cannon and stuff, you know. But today, me and my shovel finally got the garbage out. Make a little thing between the cars. Now, oh, the big work. The hard work. My mom called the other day and asked me if I took the snowblower out of the shed in the back, and I said, nah, it don't look like we're gonna have lots of snow this year. Never be an armchair or weatherman. Okay, prong, three-prong, multi-prong approach. And now walk today. Look like I'm gonna be here all day. Somebody oh, my Florida family make some hasa curry and put them in a carrier dish and give by if you come now with a bicycle. And if I have 2 extra shovel, I bring them now. See me make one pathway. So when I bring a hasa curry, you can go right inside and put them in the kitchen. If I like a hasa baigan choka and roti, or nice dal with wiri pepper, nice fluffy roti. I mean, I eat too much flour, but yeah, this is an exception. You know what? I forget about them prong things, you know. I'm on my 50th prong and I ain't pronging anything yet. For my Guyanese friends, see this white snow? It have a tinge of blue on it. And when I tell you guys, I am as pure as a virgin snow, this is what I'm talking about. It doesn't mean that I didn't have sex. It means I'm pure, I'm blessed, I'm spiritual, and I am pronging. And I keep on pronging. Oh, Canada, I'm pronging. Just when I thought I I was done, I just realized I've got some at the end of the driveway, the hard one that the plow put. Oh my God. I was gonna bust a song, but as you can see, I'm out of breath. So, appropriate song for this. Not O Canada. I build a wall, you see? I build a wall all the way around my house, so I'm protected from those orny Americans. Anyways, here's a song for the Americans. Dee dee. What? Chalte chale jana, tumse pyar kitna churana. Oh my God. I hope you guys had fun hanging with me. See the snow on the roof there? Oh, that'll ruin the gutter. Oh. So, this little piggy went to market, a Rosal, to buy shrimps, same, and aloo to make same curry and paratha roti. This piggy go Canada. He freeze, he rock, and he cry wee all the way home. Oh, you bad piggy! You wanna go make snow wall, huh? Yeah, like my friend said, I'm still defrosting. I'm a Guyanese Eskimo. Oh God. To snowfall, I remember we had snow a couple of years ago and piled up, but it came down over the course of the winter. But two snowfalls and the wall is as high as me, so I got my wall, fortified my house, and if Trump want the Mexican to build a wall, they will. All you have to do is ask them to build it out of tacos, and definitely they will build it really quick. But this man want concrete and metal and stupidness. Yeah, if you cross the desert, you're coming all the way from Honduras, Nicaragua, El Salvador, even Guyana, and you reach a wall there. You must be hungry. So, taco wall, eat some taco, and then you go over and pick some avocado, work in the fields in California, feed the world. I mean, without the Mexicans, we would be starving up here. Yeah, I'm okay. My back held up surprisingly well. Uh, Maybe it was frozen. I couldn't feel the pain. Or the piggies were frozen and my concentration was distracted. Um, the Buddha have a theory of the two arrows, and maybe that's what happened. So let me tell you about the two arrows. I'm a storyteller too. A long time ago, I went to war in Europe, and that time they didn't have gun; they had only ara and bow, arabo. So I'm charging the enemy, and one of them shot me, bang, right here. Oh, my mama, me hold the arrow, and you hear hala, me cry and me hala. And my partner go, what happened? And I said, oh, my shoulder, my right shoulder hurt. Then the enemy shot me in the leg, the left leg. I forget about the right shoulder and hold on the left leg. Allah, oh my leg, oh my leg. So the Buddha saw that and he said, you know what? I go put that in my book. So when you think somewhere is really hurting, you get a slap somewhere else, you forget about that pain and you go after the other one. So, yeah, I learned something.